In the night sky, a small parallelogram and a single brilliant star quietly shine. This is the constellation Lyra. In Greek mythology, the lyre once played by the gifted musician Orpheus was placed in the heavens by Zeus after his death. It's said that its melody still echoes across the stars. Its brightest star, Vega, is one of the three that form the summer triangle. Glowing with a pale blue light, Vega is only 25 light-years from Earth and is also known in Japan as the weaving princess star. Though small in size, Lyra carries a beautiful legend of music and love. Even now, it softly plays its celestial melody across the night sky.